The Oukitel WP21 Ultra versus the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus. Which of the two rugged devices is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to find out because I'll be comparing the specs of both devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. Both the Oukitel WP21 Ultra and the Air1 Ultra Plus have unique designs. I won't talk much about the designs of both devices. The WP21 Ultra is 19mm thick and it weighs 398 grams, while the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra is 11.8mm thick and it weighs 290 grams. The WP21 Ultra features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD 120Hz punch hole display, while the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD 120Hz punch hole display that is protected with the Gorilla Glass 3. Both devices are powered by the Helio G99 processor, and both devices are equipped with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Also, both devices runs on the Android 12 operating system. Now let's move on to cameras. The WP21 Ultra is equipped with triple rear cameras, including a 64MP primary camera, 20MP night vision, and 5MP camera for thermal imaging, while the Air1 Ultra Plus is equipped with dual rear cameras, which includes a 64MP primary camera and a 24MP night vision camera. The front camera of the WP21 Ultra is 20MP, while the front camera of the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus is 32MP. Speaking of battery, the Oukitel WP21 Ultra is backed up by a 9800 mAh battery and it supports 66 watts fast charging. It also supports reverse charging, that's reverse wired charging, while the Air1 Ultra Plus has a 7000 mAh battery and it supports 30 watts fast charging. I don't think it supports reverse charging. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K and they are both military standard 810H certified. The IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus has Bluetooth 5.0, while the Oukitel WP21 Ultra has Bluetooth 5.2. Both devices support NFC. They both have side-mounted fingerprint scanner and Face ID. The price of the WP21 Ultra is $350, while that of the Air1 Ultra Plus is $254. So there we go, guys. The Oukitel WP21 Ultra versus the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus specs comparison. Which of the two devices you think is best? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.